Want easier or different lobbies in Fortnite? Here's how to change your matchmaking server region. From the main menu, click your profile in the top right and hit Settings. Now, head to the Game Settings. This is the controller gear icon tab. Under Matchmaking Region, you'll see a drop down with ping times. Select a region with slightly higher ping, like NA or Brazil, depending on where you're from. These often have less competitive lobbies, especially if they're during non-peak hours. Click Apply in the bottom corner, then back out into the lobby. You're now queued in a new region. Remember, higher ping can make building and editing slower, but the trade-off is easier matches. Don't forget to switch back to auto or your normal region when you're done. And that's it. Hit like if this helped, and see you in the next drop. Like and follow for more Fortnite tips.